Supram ka, kalaltnam ka, pista. In these difficult times of being distant and separated, it's our traditional values that bring us together. The lifeblood of our region is our land, water, animals, and our people. Wisdom embedded in the cultural, ancestral roots of our land. To learn the ways of the indigenous people is to learn how to heal our past, ensure our future is strong. We acknowledge the values and gifts that we have received from Mother Earth. Kids playing, families together, elders with grandchildren. We create new memories. Life moves forward. Look at our neighbors in a bright light, in a new way. Think of the choices you make and how you live. A land renewed, replenished. Supram ka, kalaltnam ka, pista.